Hello, I hope you are doing well. I am going to make another video about VirtualBox. A short and simple video on how to install VirtualBox extension packs. So it's something very straightforward. But sometimes, when it's the first time you are doing it, you might be a bit confused about their utility and how to install them. So I decided to make a short video to guide you on how to do this. So before showing you how to do that, what is the purpose of having the VirtualBox extension packs? In fact, it's to add some additional features. The VirtualBox program is an open-source program, and under its license, it must only contain open-source components. But some features require proprietary code, or things that do not comply with the open-source license. That's where Oracle, who now owns VirtualBox, offers the extension pack that can be downloaded and installed in VirtualBox to get the features not available in the open-source version of VirtualBox. For example, before VirtualBox version 7.0, if you wanted USB 3.0 options for your virtual machines, you needed the extension pack. This is now a new feature available by default with VirtualBox 7.0 with its open-source version. Besides USB, in some cases the extension pack can be useful. According to this message, we see it is for better integration with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Also, to be able to use host webcams, to connect via RDP to our virtual machine. That RDP things is not about using the RDP in Windows, but rather using the RDP that comes with VirtualBox. The extension pack permit too to use PXE-ROM, disk encryption, full virtual machine encryption, etc. So again, if these options are not needed, it's not necessary to have the extension pack installed in your VirtualBox. So how to install this extension pack? So it's very simple. I invite you to go to the virtualbox.org website. In the left menu, there is a download option. At the top, under VirtualBox Platform Packages, you have the installation packages to install VirtualBox. So if you don't have VirtualBox installed on your machine, you need to download one of these files and then install VirtualBox. In my case, it is already installed. What I need are the VirtualBox extension packs. If I scroll down a little on the page, we see the category about the extension packs. There is a link named All Supported Platforms. You just have to click on this link, and a small file will be downloaded. So if I open my downloads directory, there it is. We can see the file has been downloaded. To add it to VirtualBox, it's very simple. Just open VirtualBox again. And to install the extension packs for VirtualBox? Well, in older versions, it was to click on File and Preferences. But now the Extensions menu is no longer here. In version 7.0, to manage extensions, to install a new extension, you need to click on File, then Tools, and you will have the Extension Manager. Here we have the Install button that you can click to install an extension. This opens the file browser, and we can select the file we just downloaded. We get a warning about that we are going to install an extension for VirtualBox. We have some information about the extension. We see the name, the version, and a description. Just click on Install if you want to install it. We have to read, scroll down, and accept the license agreement. And it is now already installed and listed on this screen. So, I showed you how to install the extension packs for the latest available version. This is the one you need to install if you have the latest version of VirtualBox. But if you have an older version of VirtualBox, or if you are installing a version from the Ubuntu Linux repositories, I will show you how to download a specific version of the extension packs. Once again, go to the website virtualbox.com, click on the Download button, and scroll down to the VirtualBox Older Builds category. click on the link. Here, you can choose the major version. So if you are using a version from the 6.1 series of VirtualBox, you can click on VirtualBox 6.1. Then, you will see all the available 6.1 versions. For example, if you are using 6.1.48, at the top, you can re-download VirtualBox, whether for Windows, Mac, or a Linux distribution. But if you scroll down, for each version, there is a link called Extension Pack. By clicking on this link, it will download the extension pack for that specific version. Another thing as well, if you have installed VirtualBox from the official Ubuntu repositories, if I quickly search for all packages containing the word VirtualBox, in the list, we have a package named VirtualBox Xpack. So if you have installed this package from your Ubuntu repository, it is also possible to install this package to get the extension pack. The way to install it is from the command line in the terminal window. It's very simple. Just run sudo apt install and the name of the package. So we saw in this case, it was VirtualBox Xpack. I press enter. I enter my user password, which is an administrator of my system. As before, the license is displayed. So I press the tab key to go to OK, and I press enter. Do I want to accept it? I will choose yes by moving the cursor with the keyboard keys. And there you go. It's installed. And if I start VirtualBox, we see that the Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack is installed with the same version as the VirtualBox package available in the Ubuntu repositories. So that's it for this video. I hope it was useful for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I invite you to browse my YouTube channel for other tutorials. Maybe one of my videos can help. I wish you a good day.